Hello, good day my people. As usual, welcome back to my daily tutorials. Please, I'm begging you, please, let's joke aside, please. Seriously, in my page, I lack followers. Please, help me follow my page. Please ask people to follow my page. Please. And also, I want you to give me a maximum cooperation to just be watching my content. I'm begging you. I'm not going to pay you. Please, I'm just begging you to please help me be watching my content. And if there's any problem in it, either from me or from my way of teaching or from my content, please, if you help me with that problem, I'll just get it corrected. Thank you very much. And let's come back to the board. What we have is an algebraic expressions and algebraic equation. Yes. And we asked to find the value of x. They didn't say that right, but they said we should solve. To solve means to find the value of the unknown. So the unknown there is x. Let's see how we can find it before somebody brought it for me. So let me just get it. Come and follow me. So what we should do first of all is to write solution as usual. Remember. Now bring them down. We have x minus 1 minus again x minus 1 square equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. How do we know that? By having this power here. Now let's expand this. We have x minus 1 minus bracket x minus 1 equals to 0. So let's expand this. We have x minus 1 minus bracket x times x is x squared, x times minus x. Minus 1 times x is minus x, minus 1 times minus is plus 1, remember, equals to 0. Now let's go by this. We have, x minus 1 minus, another bracket, x squared, minus x is minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. We have x minus 1, then minus times x squared is minus x squared, minus times x is plus 2x minus, because minus times plus is minus 1. So we have equal to 0. So from here we add to subtract, then we have minus x squared. X plus 2x is 3x, minus 1 is minus 2, then equal to 0. Now, looking at this quadratic equation, the leading coefficient has negativity, so we need to cancel out this negative sign. How do we do it? By multiplying this by minus 1. That is, minus 1 times this is just x squared. Minus 1 times 3x is minus 3x, minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2, equals to 0. Now, this is the perfect quadratic equation, which we can use any method of solving quadratic equation, either formula, factorization, graphical, or completing the square method. And in this tutorial, if you remember, I've never used any of this method. I only factorize, but I've never used graphical solution, completing the square or formula. So let me just use completing the square method to solve this quadratic equation so that we can know the value of x. Now what do we do here is to first of all, rewrite it so that you can see it. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now since the leading coefficient has a coefficient of 1, then we don't need to divide it by the coefficient. So we are lucky our x squared is just 1. So we add to take plus 2 to the other side. We have x squared minus 3x equals to minus 2. Now the next thing to do is to take the coefficient of the middle term, which is minus 3, divide it into 2. Square it and add to both sides by removing the middle term, meaning we have to take only x squared, then we'll say plus minus 3 over 2, then square equals to minus 2 plus minus 3 all over 2 square. This is what we should do from the beginning. Now after having this, then since this is 4, we can factor out the power. We have x plus and minus is minus 3 all over 2, square equals to minus 2 plus minus 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. Put 1 under equals to. Take the LCM of 1 and 4 is just 4. Then how many 1 is in 4 is 4 times minus 2 is minus 8 plus 4 into 4 is 1 times 9 is just 9. and this is equals to minus 8 plus 9 is 1 all over 4. We have our x minus 3 over 2, root a square. Then you have to take square root of both sides so that you can cancel the square. This goes with this. We now have x minus 3 over 2 equals to root of 1 is 1, root of 2 is just 2. Now, what you need to do from here is to take minus 3 over 2 from the left to the right and changing this sign. Remember, since you share square root, I think before equal sign there is plus or minus. So that we can have our x's to be. X will be equals to, instead of minus 3 over 2, it became 3 over 2, then plus or minus 1 over 2. Because the denominators are same, so our x could either be 3 plus 1 over 2 or x to be 3 minus 1 over 2. If it is 3 plus 1 over 2, then x will be equals to 4 over 2, which gives you 2. That is the value of x. But if it is x equals to 3 minus 1 over 2, then the x will be equals to 2 all over 2, which gives you 1. Therefore, x will either be 1 or 2. These are the respected values of x. Thank you. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider it, like and share. Comment with your observation. Also, you follow. Call your friends, your brothers, your neighbors, your sisters, your relatives, all of them to follow me. If you have a child in secondary school, either girl or boy, whatever, grade 1, 2, 3, grade 2, 3, 4, 5, up to grade 12, and above, refer them to my page. In fact, even if you graduated or you have a graduate and they still need this content, refer them to me. I do everything. And also, any problem, physics, mathematics, further mathematics and related, please refer to my page. And also, stay with me. I'm very much loyal to you, my followers. Whatever you want me to do is what I'm doing. If today you said this content I'm making, it doesn't make sense and you don't like it, I will automatically stop it, because there's no point for me to do what people don't like. So if you don't like it, I also don't like it. If you see me doing it, meaning you like it. So please stay with me and make sure you like and share. Only when you share it will grow. If you don't share, you don't make comment, we don't grow. You like it and you make comment, you share it. These are the 3 things we need from you. Thank you very much and have a nice time. I remain Kabir Ibrahim J, your own physics and mathematics online tutor. Bye.